Are you ready to learn how to register for GST? In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So, whether you are a beginner or you are just looking for a refresher, this video is for you. GST registration consists of two parts, Part A and Part B. Let's first learn about Part A. To do this, you will need to log in to the website www.gst.gov.in. In the home page Services menu, click the New Registration option. In the open form, provide your basic information such as your state, district, PAN number, and legal name as per your PAN card. Valid mobile number and email ID are very important here. A one-time password OTP will be sent to both your email and mobile number. On the next page, enter the OTP that you received in your email in the email field and enter the OTP that you received on your mobile phone in the mobile field. After clicking the Proceed button, a temporary reference number will be generated. This will call the TRN number. It will also be sent to your email and mobile number. Please note this number carefully. Part B must be completed within 15 days of TRN generation. This is all about Part A of the GST registration. Now let's learn how to fill Part B of the GST registration. For this, you should first scan all the necessary documents in the correct format and size. I have already discussed the required documents in my previous video. Please refer to that. First, go to the home page of the GST portal. In the Services section, click on the New Registrations, then click on the Temporary Registration option. Enter the TRN number that you generated while doing Part A of the registration process. An OTP will be sent to both your email and mobile phone. You can use either OTP to proceed. After clicking on Proceedings, a dashboard will appear. Click on the Action button to open the Part B forms. In this business detail dashboard, the legal name and PAN number and creation date are automatically populated based on the data provided in Part A. Provide your trade name. If you have an additional trade name, please provide it as well. Please select the district in which your business is located. Please select the constitution of your business, whether it is a proprietorship, partnership firm or company. Select the suitable reason for GST registration. Is your registration voluntary or have you crossed the threshold limit? Please provide the date of commencement of your business and the liability date. Upload proof of trade name if available. Proof of the trade name is not mandatory, but you may upload it if you have it. If you want to get the composition scheme, select it. However, confirm that you do not have any of the below mentioned supplies in your business. After clicking the Proceed button, you need to fill in the promoter's detail. Provide all basic details such as name, father's name, date of birth, PAN number, designation, email address, mobile number, and personal address. Click S to authorize signature, then upload a passport-sized photo. After that, click the Save and Continue button. If you are a partnership firm or a company, click the Add New button and fill in all the partners or directors' details. upload their photos in the same manner. In this case, you must choose at least one authorized signatory. After proceeding, you must fill in the authorizer details. The promoter's details will be auto-populated. Select primary authorization. You do not need to fill these details again. If you have more than one authorization, you can add it. Upload the authorization letter and click the Save and Continue button. In the Principal Place of Business section, you should fill in the address of your business as per your documents. Enter your ward, commissionerate, division and range properly. Then enter your office's email and mobile number. Upload a valid business address proof. Select your business nature. If you have an additional place of business such as branch or warehouse, mark it green. Then save and click the continue. If you have a branch or godown, you can add it here. Fill in the details as you did for your principal place of business. Then click save and continue. Mention your HSN code for goods. You can select up to 5 HSN codes. If you offer services, select the SAC codes, then click the save and continue button. If you have deducted professional tax from your employees and have an RC number, you can provide the details in this section. Then save and continue. You must tick the green box in this other authentication section. If you do not wish to undergo the other authentication process, a proper officer will conduct a physical verification at your place after you submit the form. Then save and continue. After this, you can submit your form by digital signature or using the submit with EasyA option. An OTP will be sent to both your email address and mobile number. You can enter either one and then click on validate OTP. A successful submission pop-up message will then appear. After validating your details, the system will send you a hyperlink to your email address for authentication. You should click on that link and enter your Aadhaar number. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. After entering the OTP, a success message will appear. An ARN number will be sent to your email and mobile number. You can use this number to check the status of your registration. The case will be assigned to either the state or central government. A proper officer will verify the forms. If the officer needs any clarification, they can send you a request for clarification. You should provide a valid reason and upload any necessary documents. The officer may approve or reject your application. If the officer approves your registration, your GST number and password will be automatically sent to your email. You can then set your username and password. This is all about GST registration. Thank you for watching. Please share our videos and subscribe to our channel.